Enemies dropping into the AO.
Got stuck on the staircase. Oh my god, 2 of them. Three on the staircase down low.
Alright, big re.
Right in front of me. Oh.
Active in the AO.
Utah prison.
I cracked one up there.
Okay.
This needs.
Watch your
Oh
six.
fuck. Oh.
Friendly UAV
Sorry.
entering area.
Water tower.
Oh fuck.
Water tower right here, like what wall?
Yeah.
25 remain.
We're fighting on loadout. On our loadout right now. On our loadout. Cracked on by.
Moving here.
Head down steps
Be
here.
advised, you still have squad mates. Positive ID on the bounty target. Hunt 'em
Take
down.
cover. Take cover. Cat. Ow. 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 On me.
Still here.
Oh boy. Jesus. Jesus. Oh, hold on. Hold on tight.
And grandma's, I think. Second star headquarters looking, peeking at us.
Bounty targets identified. Weapons free.
Sorry. Fucking hell. Sorry. Fuck. Down here.
Enemy movement in the AO.
Nice ghost. My right, my right stairs are
Resurgence is
close.
about to end. Make it count.
Oh.
Here.
Oh,
He's-
Water. Water.
Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Good shit. Good shit. This guy's tagged up, cracked, whited.
On the stairs, on the stairs.
Oh.
Lit one of them
Oh, right.
over.
Oh, what the?
Oh, right there.
Yeah. That's. Oh, big pool, big pool. Still on the roof.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
You moved it, by the way, so.
Tis.
What the fuck are you gonna do though? Bless you. Bless you.
Pub and play X Defiant, I guess.
Bless you?
Thank you.
Okay, well, we're done.
Thank
Pub
you.
and
Thank
play
you.
X Defiant.
Yeah.
Oh. It's brutal out here.
I've jeez.
But T, why can't I put the Harbinger on my DG?
What to do?
It's just not there.
It's not there.
Yeah, I just don't see it at all.
Jeez. I gotta see. Eat. Ow. Oh. Alright, we're going in with no warm up here. This is my warm up right now. I'm a little bit nervous. Alright. Trying to get the aim moving, bro.
Oh, nah.
Got reinforcements inbound.
Wait. Bless you, and you got a whole team landing on you. Oh my god, bro. The way I just died was just...